Removing the thermostat housing on a cat C15 6NZ. Already taking some bolts out. This long one goes over here.
What's going on here?
All right, hold on. That whole housing moved when he did that. The whole shit came this way like that.
If Mr. Miller was alive, he'd be proud.
I already drained all the coolant.
After 30 years. Been fucking videotaping my fucking black ass. Fuck out of here.
Look like your son.
Need the glasses here. We're gonna have more. Is that leaking in the right spot?
Yeah, it's dripping into the pan. It's good. Hang on. All right. Let's loosen these up here before you take it all the way off.
Loosen what?
Your little hose up there at the top here. These clamps, because it's going to be hard if you take it all the way off. Let me get you a thing. Hang on.
Last bolt.
Yeah. It's nasty.
Yeah, rusty. It's due for a flushing for sure.
Whole thermostat housing coming out.
The hell's got it?
It's caught up on that blue hose up there, probably, in that bar. Bring the bottom out first if you can.
Oh. There it is.
There it is.
I take thermostats out.
Yeah, baby.
There it is. 2 fucking thermostats. Unbelievable. All right, folks, so this is the thermostat housing here. This was the old seals with the gasket. Pretty much it has to pry up on it. You need something stronger than this, but just pretty much just get up under it and then pull the old one out. And then for the new one, you just set them down in there. Just tap it, make sure it's flush. I mean, that, you know, it's all even all the way around. Probably got to hit it a couple times here just to get it just right. All right, I'll be back shortly. All right, as you can see, now it's flush all the way around. It's flush all the way around. So what you do is you set this one down in here. Kind of push it down with your fingers a little bit. Let's see. this is where you'll need your little tool and just grab your rubber mallet and tap it. The video might fall down, but just show you a little bit here. There you go. It's on. Flush. You got a lip. Turn this light off, man. You got a lip all the way around here now. Yep. And here's the other gasket. Turbo. Put back. Alrighty, folks. Done. We're back. Just got finished putting in one thermostat there. Pretty much you just set it there, and then you just gotta push down on it. There's the part number 6NZ cat. Just you do is you come here, pretty much just work it in there. That's it. And done deal. There you go. Stay in there, baby. That's pretty much it right there, folks. Pretty much it. Thermos, and then that's one of my temperatures sensors. That goes in my other part. That I brought down here with me. Under here. One goes at the top, but this one here goes in at the bottom right there. Be back shortly. I'm gonna put a little bit of thread sealer on here. I thought that thing would go down in there further. That thing would go down further, wouldn't it?
It was sticking out far.
Sticking out far?
Yep.
See if we can feel that in there.
Yeah.
tight.
That's good.
That's tight. I don't want to go no more. And then that sensor. God, that dude ate that thing up. It's plastic.
It's got a different head. Huh?
It's plastic.
Yeah.
What the hell?
That's just a regular socket. Let me see. Same size. They changed it. I guess it's not the plastic. The other one, they should have kept the same material. Just change the shape.
No. In there. Cook it. It looked like it was going in straight. Hold this up, Ash.
Alright, put the housing back together. Just tighten all the bolts up. There's a gasket in between here.
Alrighty.
Putting this thermostat housing back onto the motor. Just got one of the holes. Jiggle it a little bit. Start it, bro. It's the mechanic.
Yeah, tell me everything.
Alright, we're done with this thermostat housing and placing the thermostats